Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So this is the rare occasion where I'm doing a video on my own car. So this is my i3 and we've got a headlight bulb out. So if we just turn everything on, well, you can disconnect the charging cable later. Dipped beam right failure. So there you go, it tells you, which is lovely. Love modern cars. So let's go and have a look through that. So first thing we're going to do is open the front. I can't remember where it is now. There it is. So just got to move that to the right. Little safety catch. And right hand side. So this one here. This is all just velcroed on, so that can come off. Happy days. And we're going to go in here. Take that out.
Right, so this bit is fiddly as hell. Really did take me a lot longer than I really wanted it to. The trouble is that you've got these extra wires that seem to get in the way of the metal clip. So really all you need to try and do is to press the metal clip and pull it to one side, which should release it from the bracket, and then you can pull out the bulb. But just make sure that you push those additional wires out the way first.
So this is the bulb that we're using to replace it with. So it's a H7. So let's have a go at that. So the problem with this job is not necessarily the wires or the bulb or anything. It's really fiddly because you've got these other wires that were getting in the way. So I've managed to just push them out of the way there, and then we'll try and get this bulb back in. Oh, has that clip gone back in the way? That's not helping, is it? So we can see there at the top is the little sort of indent. What's going on here? There we go. At the top's that indent for that little lug to go in. I'm just struggling to get that in there. I think that's in. Okay, so I'm going to get the plug back on. Hopefully that's done. So all that's left to do is to pop this little beauty back on. Like that. Get the bit of Velcro back in. Clip in there, clip in there. And that's it done. So back inside now, let's see if it's coming up. Coolio.